Hi, this is Nasraya. My YouTube channel name is Nasraya Tadi. So NASARAIAHTHADI Tadi. So that is my YouTube channel name. So daily I am uploading some videos. So please subscribe my channel and watch my videos, like my video, share my videos. So today our concept is easy squares. Each and every competitive examinations they are given some problems, but we can be applying a calculation procedure. So that's why we will be taking a lot of time. But in this procedure we can be applying a simple technique. That technique we can be applying from Vedic mathematics. So what is the easy square like this? So for example, we know some squares. That means 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 6 square means 36, 9 square means 81. These are simple, and that means a single digit squares. But what about the double digit? For example, 98 square, 104 square, 104 square, like this. What about this square? These are a big squares. So this is a 98 whole square. 98 whole square means so 9604. 104 whole square. 104 whole square means so 108 16. So 1004 whole square means 1008 So these are squares of given numbers. So how we can be find the using a simple technique to these squares? You can be observe here. So the technique will be showing here. So what is that technique? So in this Vedic mathematics, what is the main basis and what is the sub basis of Vedic mathematics? First of all, we can be applying here. So here, this is a 10, this is a 100, this is a thousands. So these are main basis of Vedic mathematics. So what is the sub basis of Vedic maths? That means so 20, 30, 40, 50 like this, 110, 120, 130 like this. These are sub basis of Vedic mathematics. These are main basis of Vedic mathematics. Those are simple principles to Vedic mathematics. First of all, we can be recognize these principles. After that, we can be using that simple technique. So what is that technique? What is that technique we can be observe here? So for example 12 square. For example, one number that is 12 square is 12 means that is 10 plus 2. 12 means 10 plus 2. So that is 10 plus 2. So look here, this is main base. This is a main base. That is 10 is the main base. Then that time we can be applying here. Take that number 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 slash. So here this is a 2. That means 2 square. 2 square. This is equal to 12 plus 2 means 14. 2 square means 4. This is easy technique. So we can be find any given number to find the square of that given number. 12 square means this is nearest main base is 10. That means 10 plus 2 is 12. Right. After that, what is the given number here? 12. 12 plus what is the adding number? That means main base is 10 plus 2. That number adding here 12 plus 2 means 14. After that, what is the square of that remaining number? That means 2. 2 square is 4. So 12 plus 2 is 14. 2 square is 4. 144 is the correct answer. 12 square is the 144. Next, another number we can be observe here like this. 14 whole square is equal to. So 10 plus 4, that means 14 plus 4 slash, what is the square of here given number? That is 4 square. So this is equal 14 plus 4 is 18. 14 plus 4 is 18. After that 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. But look here, this is a left part, this is a right part. This is a left part, this is a right part. So in this right part, what is the main basis here? 10. There are two numbers, but here only one number we have remaining here. So then that we can be applying balancing method. That means first of all take this number here, that is 6. So we have 1 here. So 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8 means 9. Remaining one number here. So 14 whole square is 196. 14 whole square is 196. Another number we can observe here. Another number, that is 18 whole square. 18 whole square. So first of all we take 18 plus what is the main basis here? 10 is the nearest main basis. That 8 adding number. So that's why we will be take here 8 slash this square. So this is equal to 18 plus 8 is 26. 8 square means 64. 8 square means 64. This is equal to, I can be applying here a balancing method. That means we will be taking here 4. So balancing method means 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 means 12. 1 take here, under 2 here. So another 2 plus 1 is 3. 324. 18 square means 324. So another number will be taken here. For example, 105 whole square here. 105 whole square. So what is the nearest main base here? Here 100 is the nearest main base. So 105 plus 5 slash what square here? 5 square. So this is equal to 105 plus 5 means 110. 5 square means 25. 5 square means there is no applying balancing method. Why? Because of the reason there is in the right part there is 2 numbers only. So that's why we don't use the balancing method. In this main basis there are 3 numbers, but in the right side there are 2 numbers. One number is less than 2 main bases. So we don't apply balancing method here. So another number we will be taking here. For example, 109 whole square. 109 whole square. So 109 plus 9 means 118. 109 plus 9 means 118. 9 square means 81. 9 square means 81. Another number will be taken here. For example, 1006 whole square here. Simple will be given answer here. 10112. 6 square means 36. There are 4 numbers, but we have taken here only 3 numbers. But in the 6 square means 36, there are 2 numbers. So then that time we'll be taking 0 before the 36. So 036. 036. So what is the square of 1006 whole square is 101203 6. So we will be observe some more squares of numbers. For example, 96 whole square. 96 whole square. So 96, this is the nearest main base of 100. Nearest main base of 100. So what is the less number? 96. 100 minus 4 is 96. That means 96 minus 4. What is the subtract number to equal to the 96 from 100 is 96 minus 4. That means plus 4 is 100. That is the main base, but we can be subtract from 96 minus 4. So after that, this is 4 square. This is equal to 96 minus 4 means 92. 4 square means 16. That's it. That is the square of 96 whole square. So another problem we can be doing here. For example, simply 95 whole square. What is the nearest main base is 100 here. So 95 minus 5 slash 5 square. So that is equal to 95 minus 5 is 905 square means 25. 25. So 996 whole square. So 996 whole square means 996 minus 4. Why? Because of the reason this is the main basis of 1000 slash 4 square. So this is equal 996 minus 4 is a 992. 4 square means 16, but there are two numbers. So we are adding before 0 to that number. This is the answer. This is the answer. 996 whole square is 992016 is the correct answer. So another problem we can be solved here. For example 109 whole square. So 109 plus 9 slash 9 square. So this is equal to 118. 9 square means 81. 81. 1005 whole square. This is equal to 1010. 5 square means 25. But there are 5 numbers. 25 means 2 numbers. So that's why we will be take here 2 zeros before 25. 00 25 is the correct answer. So present we can be applying a Vedic maths rules. How we can be find the easy squares. So we can be observe some numbers. Only these numbers, the numbers nearest to the main basis of given squares. That means what is the nearest main base? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this. So another problem we can be solved here. For example, 92 whole square. So that is 92 minus 8. That means 8 square. This is equal to 92 minus 8. 92 minus 8. 96. Yes, I'm sorry. 86. 86. So 86. 92 minus 8. 84. 84. 84. 8 square means 64. 8 square means 64. So here answer is 84. 84. 100 means nearest main base is 100. There are two numbers. 84. 64 is the correct answer. So we can be applying this type of technique and we can be find any square of a given number. So this is more useful to any competitive examinations. How we can be find the easy squares. We can be applying this type of technique. So daily and I am watching some videos. So please watch my videos and learn more than subject from my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye, see you.